this video real fast to share with you my new baby. So I want you to know that Jimmy and I adopted Leona. Right, Leona? So I was wanting to go and, well, first here's how it all started. I was thinking, you know what, I want to get, puppies so that we can take care of it. And, we're empty nesters now. So we thought, oh, let's get a puppy, all right? So we go to the puppy shops and they have like puppies in there starting at $3,200. That's just a car payment or paying off a car, okay? So that wasn't happening, all right? So we decided, you know what, we'll look around and let's go to, we thought about like no-kill shelters and to adopt a pet. So what we did was we looked around and Leona, we literally got her a couple of days ago. You okay? She went in and drank a bunch of water. You alright, girl? You drank the water too fast. Yeah, you did. So what happened with Leona? Her parents, I guess her owners, they said that she nipped at the knees, and they had her, she's like 1 year and 3 months, and they said that she had nipped at the knees or whatever, and so they got rid of her. So she was actually set to be euthanized. So they were gonna kill her. So we were like, oh my gosh, that's crazy, and she's so sweet. So we went to go pick her up at PetSmart, and when we went there was a bunch of dogs out there. It was their adoption agency for all the pets out there, and we got her through it's called a Home for Spot. So go check them out because they have a lot of cute puppies here in Nevada. They're in Nevada at least. And when we looked around, there was a lot of rambunctious pups and stuff like that. But she was just sitting in a cage quietly. And they said, oh yeah, her over there. When I asked, can I pick her up? And they were like, yeah. But the last couple people, they were like, no, she's too shaky and nervous. And she was shaking and scared. So when I picked her up, automatically I hugged her and then she just leaned right into me, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it was amazing. So we bonded instantly, and even the lady there who was setting up the adoption, she was like, oh my god, this is amazing. She's because for people to like bond that quickly with pets, especially when they're abandoned, So long story short, she's home with us and we adopted her and she's here to stay, right, Leona? So let you guys see a good look at beautiful Leona. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. See, she's all, her mouth is wet because she just got through drinking a bunch of water too fast. You okay? You okay, baby? Hey, that's a face that's not violent. Right? So we pretty much saved Leona, and she actually saved us because she's brought us joy already, and she's so fun. And she's very intelligent. So I heard that these terrier, or what is it? She's terrier, part, what is it called? Camera lady? Yorkie, thank you. Yeah, so she's super, super smart, and she's loving, and, we're happy to have her. So welcome Leona, guys. Say hi. See more of Leona, you guys, and thinking about getting her an Instagram account so you guys can see all. I don't want to bombard the Faithful Keto Kitchen Instagram account with a bunch of doggy pictures because I seem to be turning into that mom. So I'm gonna get her set her up an Instagram account so I can at least share the adventures of Leona Love. So look out for that, guys. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. I just wanted to share the new love of my life. Right, baby? Right? Say bye, guys. So say bye, Leona. Bye, guys. She'll see you soon. Bye, guys. You okay?